had a lovely time at my mum's last night, saw the family, it was great. We are actually all making our way to Barton Grange. Unfortunately, Mikey and Holly can't be with us today because they are both stuck in work. But the rest of us are going to go and have the traditional soup and a roll. I think I'm going to have to be careful with what I eat. I don't think I'll be having any dessert because I had yet another gallbladder attack last night, so that's 2 nights in a row. I am having an operation actually in January, so hopefully a couple of weeks rest and then back to it properly, and we can start eating normal food, which would be great because I am missing my chippy chips. So we're going to drive from just outside Morecambe through to I class it's just outside Preston, to this garden centre. I'll put the address in the link, and then do the usual there. So we'll see you later on. Right, so we've just come off the motorway. Trafford Bowland, if you ever got to go that way, that's lovely as well. We've just come off the motorway, and we are going to be driving through some really picturesque little villages along the way. Lots of nice little pubs to stop. Unfortunately, obviously we're driving, so we won't be stopping at all the nice little pubs. But I'm thinking one of these days, the Barton Grange Hotel isn't actually on site of the Barton Grange Garden Centre. It's on the same road. But I actually fancy us staying there one night, maybe taking a canal cruise, because you can get canal cruises, takes you right past the garden centre and whatnot. Go to the Flower Bowl, because we've still got to go there. It's like a little, I say little, it's not actually, I don't think it's that little, an entertainment centre where they've got like ping pong, I think they've got a cinema, it's got a quirky take on pool, it's got crazy pool instead of crazy golf. I think it's got a bowling alley. It's got a lot in the area, in a concentrated area, a lot to do there. And then of course we've got the garden centre itself, which is not everybody's idea of a day out, but come at Christmas, I don't care who you are, come at Christmas and it's the beauty. It is beauty. They've got all the decorations out and it is beautiful. I mean, we like a garden centre anyway. I think out of Christmas season, my favourite is still the Goredale, and in fact I think if we get the chance we will visit there before Christmas. It's like Sunday now, I think Christmas is on Wednesday, so by the time this goes out I think it's probably going to be Tuesday. It's probably going to be Christmas Eve by the time this goes out, if I can't get things out quick enough. But yeah, it's a beautiful area to visit anyway. But yeah, we went off tangent. The idea was, if we get to go to the Goredale, we will go to the Goredale, because I haven't actually been there at Christmas. We've been there through the year and they've got peacocks and lots of stuff to see and do while you're there, but not at Christmas, so we'll try and give that a go. Right, I will catch up later on. I hope this is coming through really well on the camera. The way the sky is set at the minute, it's not late, we're looking at 12:30, but the way the sun is peeking through the clouds, I don't know, it does feel Christmassy. I know we haven't got the white snow, and to be honest, we've got a fair bit of driving to do today, so as lovely as the snow is, it's not ideal for driving in. But I don't know, just let's not look tranquil, without my voice gobbing over the end of it, but put me on mute and just enjoy the drive. What do you think? Or put your favourite soundtrack on. And it's unfortunate we can't put music on over the top, because it would be, I've always thought it'd be nice to know what people are listening to while they're driving. Anyway, I've actually got Mika on in a minute. It's just come through the playlist. 50, right, okay, we're doing okay for speed. Just feel like we're going ever so fast through here with our 20 mile an hour at home. I mean, this is a residential area and it's a 50. It seems madness. But yeah, let me know what you think. Does it look a real tranquil picture? Because that's how it's. feeling. continue straight on towards Preston, you will come to the hotel. I think actually we probably go that way on the way out, so we'll see. Whilst it might
In
not look
100
impressive.
yards, at the
Here we
roundabout,
go.
continue straight.
Yeah, I can't knock sat nav off. Never mind. Right, we'll sort that out in a minute. But we've got the flower bowl now on your right, and the garden centre straight down. And it's
Turn
going to be a
left, then turn right.
place for looking for parking now. Let's go further down, I think. And we're here.
Was it easy following us?
Yeah, it was that first turning. I don't know why I missed it, because that's the turning home.
Yeah.
So I don't know what it was. I think I was counting rather than watching. It said three exits or something.
Yeah, I do that.
And I don't know, I must have missed an exit. Oh, they got wabbits on jugs. Doggies. It makes me want to buy more cups, but we've got loads. I like that.
Yeah.
In fact, no, that one should be it.
Oh, yeah.
I like these. Have you seen the Lancashire tea bag box? You can buy Lancashire tea, and it's got Lancashire Castle. It's a map of Lancashire with all the good bits on it. The Eric Morecambe statue on it. It's well cool. There's a tea box of tea. They're made out of rice. It's not as Christmassy in this bit. This just looks like it's their normal stuff with Christmas bits at the front. But I do like purple. I've always liked purple.
I like it.
What do you think of these?
Yes, very nice.
Would you like some of them? Would you have liked some of them?
I don't know when I'm producing them.
Sorry.
Yeah, go for soup in a row now.
How much do you pay now for a soup in a row?
550, 650 for soup.
Yeah.
Come on.
I mean, I know prices have gone up. I've got to find a decoration. I always come back with
yeah,
a
you go. I've
decoration.
got.
That's what I was just saying, don't forget the baubles.
I don't know what sort I'm going for this
Well,
year.
don't forget, you've all got a choice of a decoration.
Yeah.
Have you heard that, Donna?
Yeah.
Oh, you've heard that, yeah?
I'm going to see if I can find like a randomy one. You know, like
It's more random,
Yeah.
like round just the standard.
yeah.
And I wouldn't want to get one just for the sake of getting one.
We've got massive ones in our tree this year and last year.
That was really nice, the pink with the purple.
Yeah.
I like pink and purple together.
I like purple. I just like purple. They're quite nice.
Yeah, they are.
I don't know what it is, but it's quite nice.
It's put on a tree, isn't it?
I really wish they wouldn't take the decorations down before Christmas. It really annoys me.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, I like this. This is a nice colour. I've done that. Well, not quite like that. You know my baubles?
Yeah.
Like when I've got randoms, I've attached them to cotton. That's Nana's Bailey's glass. I've attached them to cotton and made like a great bunch with like different, like a star and just, you know, like all your odds and ends that don't go with anything. I've made it into like one thing and then just chuck that on the tree.
Yeah, I'm just saying, if you take them out of there, you can use that as a glass for the vodka you just got.
These similar to, I've got some like golden colour ones that you just stick in your tree. So you stick in your tree.
The light catches them, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It'd be a fun job working here, wouldn't it? Like getting it all set up. Except if you didn't celebrate Christmas, then it would be horrendous.
You just pick some up where places go, don't you?
They're like vintagey ones, aren't they? Are they glass?
Yeah, I think they
Yeah.
are.
I was going to say these ones were.
Yeah, they're different, aren't they?
More purple. We say this every year. I think we should maybe come the week before. You know, like.
Or a few weeks.
Well, yeah. Well, I was thinking, you know, we could actually do the Christmas meal next year, the week earlier,
Yeah.
because it's always really.
It's not like Chris's birthday.
Well, the week earlier than that, then. Just. I like the colours on that. I like them. Just that it's always really close to Christmas. You know, when everyone's sort of busy. But it'd be nice to get this place like with all the decorations before they start taking them. I mean, look, they're taking them down as we're here. Yeah.
130 quid.
Is that all of it now then?
Yeah, I like that.
It looks like you should be able to sit on him.
Seems stupid.
Yeah, it does. I wonder if they get the. Oh yeah, they are. Look, I wonder if they get the dog something.
All the little buildings are next door.
Yeah.
Are these decorations as well here?
I'm only a morning person.
It's getting nerdy in here.
No, I think to improve it.
Yeah, I think they've taken it down too early.
Yeah.
And I find it odd that they would do that anyway, because it's a weekend still. You'd think maybe, well, don't people come to garden centres, like, on the day out? 'Cause we do. It's quite nice having lights in a jar.
Yeah, I see that one. I see that one there.
I love these ones.
Yeah, that one. It's not a bad price, you know.
It's not.
It's not though. You can build
No.
a nice little.
Have you set yours up at home?
Yeah, summer windsail. It's not as big as it used to be because we need to have more space.
Yeah.
That isn't dear. I like that.
No.
I like the moving part ones. I like.
Yeah, it's nice to have something a bit different.
Yeah.
But I mean, even if you think, if you bought one a year,
Yeah.
you'd soon build them up.
Yeah. But growing up, that's exactly what I remember Christmas decorations being. Yeah. Yeah.
I like the bulbs.
Oh, the lights.
Yeah, they pop up.
Yeah, with the plasticky shells.
Oh dear. Permanent one.
Permanent Christmas.
That's a big week.
I always think, if you put them on your door, when the wind blows, doesn't it scratch your door?
Ours doesn't.
Oh, does it not? Or it doesn't move in the wind? They're quite nice. I like that one. It shows it looks like it's all thingy, but it's all the light curtain, isn't it? So obviously it's not going to look like that in my house because I don't have light curtains. But pretty lights, pretty lights. He's quite nice. That pizza oven and gingerbread. They're missing some houses. Oh, that's cool. Get your hand in there, Donna. What, Robin?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like that in the garden.
The Velociraptor. They're quite sharp, its teeth.
2,499.
Not cheap, is it? But, it's not something you're going to buy again, is it? It's sharp, it is.
I like this.
Yeah, it is. There's probably a sign saying, please do not place your head in the Velociraptor. You probably have teeth marks in your head. It bit my head. I worked it out off my finger. I wouldn't have tried my head. Oh, and they got look at like a reindeer leaping. I can't even think. Oh, I always ruin it with please do not touch. Ooh, he actually made me jump. No music?
I was going to say, I would have thought it would have been some music.
I think there's meant to be music. Oh, look, that little lad's face.
Probably people inside. Every time you push that,
up the penguin's bum. It's torture for the penguins. Wait, look at that. Where did that come from? That's actually quite scary because it's just come like all of a sudden. I don't like the sound of that, I'll be quite honest.
storm.
Yeah, yeah.
Imagine it rained or hailstorm at the time.
Yeah, you'd get beaten up. I think it is raining.
That's cute. Oh, polar bear.
He's got to stick up his jacksie as well. Look, why are all these gone? They've not replenished them.
No.
Unless they're doing a different display, but because this is normally a display anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is raining. I wouldn't want to be out in that. Sod that. Yeah, I like that.
I like the little polar bear lid.
One hand. Hello.
Be careful we go down the street.
Especially the ones in vans.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to pull over.
I don't know whether it's cold or it's making me feel cold just because of the sound of it.
I think it's got to be cold, but it's making me worse. Hey, get a picture here.
Got noise. They're normally there. Oh, do you want to go on a sleigh ride? A VR sleigh ride. Actually, why? It would be nice to have like an actual sleigh. Yeah, yeah.